How to fix Instagram message not sending problem. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure your application is updated. Head over to your Play Store, type in Instagram. If you see update, tap on update and update your app. Now, second thing, you need to make sure that you are connected to a very stronger Wi-Fi connection, because at times if your Wi-Fi or your mobile data is slower, the messages will not get through. Now, if the things are correct, head over to your Instagram, and once it is so, get logged into your account. And if the things are still not working on your side, like if you are still not being able to send messages, here are the things that you can do in order to fix them. Tap on 3-bar icon, scroll all the way below, tap help, tap report a problem, tap include and continue, and simply type in your problem. If you have a screenshot, you may go ahead and tap on upload. Once done, tap on send on your top right. Just like so guys, they will help you solve your problem. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.